So hello everyone, my name is Saleh and today we're gonna build our first machine learning web application using an amazing library named Streamlit. But first, we create a folder with a file, name it app, our image, Diabets, and our data that we're gonna use. So let's start building our first application. First, we're gonna import our library. So we're gonna import NumPy, sklearn, pandas, and the library pl. So let's start. Import library. So we're gonna import NumPy as MP, import pandas as PD. So from pil import image. So we're going to use in our algorithm a random forest classifier. So from sklearn one sample import random forest classifier. Then from sklearn matrices import accuracy score. Then from sklearn font model selection import train and test split. Then we're gonna create a title and a subtitle for our application. Create a title and subtitle. So st font right. Diabet detection. Then we're gonna open our image with our library pil. We're gonna open our image. So we're gonna give her image equal to image open. And we're gonna give her our font and the name of file. Name of file is diabet.jpg. Diabet.jpg. Then st point image caption equal to, we're gonna get using our machine learning, so go in machine learning and use columns equal to true. Then we're gonna get our data. Get data. df name for our data. PD on read CSV and the name of our data diabets.csv. Yes.csv. Then we're gonna set a subheader for our data. Set a subheader st.subheader, and we're gonna give her a name. Let's name her data information. So then we're going to show our data in a table, as a table. Show our data as a table. st.data frame, and here the name of our data. Then let's put static from our data. Let's show them. Show static on the data. So st.right. Let's give her the name of our data. df.describe. After that, we're going to show our data as a chart. Chart equal to st.bar chart. Yeah, sorry. After that, we're going to split our data. So we need to split data. Let's give her x equal to df log and follows, and y equal to df log point -1 point values. Then let's split our data into 75% training and 25% test. Okay, let's split data into 75% training and 25% test. So x train, sorry, not that. So x train, x test, then y train and y test equal to train test split x and y, then test size equal to 0.25 and the random state equal to 0. Let's check print test split x and y, test size equal to 0.25 and the random state equal to 0. Then to make our first application more dynamic, we're gonna get the future input from the users. So we're gonna create a function to put the user's future in. So let's get the future input from the users. So we're gonna create a function there. Let's name it get user input. Get user input. So let's check our data. Copy that. I will show you why. Copy that. So let's order our future. And finally H. So pregnancies equal to st point slider slider and pregnancy. The first value is the minimal values in our data, it's 0. Then the max values in our data, 17. Then let's give a number between 0 and 17. Let's put 3. The same thing for all. So let's copy that to buy some RAM slider glucose. Our first value is 0, then 199, then 100. Let's give them 170. Then the same for all blood pressure. Then our minimum number is 0. You can check that by tapping the name of the data, df point describe, and you will give us the mean and the max of our values. Okay, blood pressure, so 0, then 122 as a max, and let's give us 72. Then the same for skin thickness. Our first was 0, then 99, then 23. Essentially, then 0, then 846, then 30. So BMI of is 0.0, then 67.1, then we use, let's say 20.1. Oh, yeah. 0.078, then 2.42, then 0.3725. I don't know. You can put anything here. H and finally H equal, let's give 21, then 81, then 29. I don't know. You can change by anything you want to put. Let's put 35. Then we're gonna store a dictionary into a variable. Store dictionary into a variable. User. Let's name it user data equal to so first references point references glucose point glucose point then blood pressure 2 point blood pressure then skin thickness 2 point skin thickness then insulin and BMI insulin insulin 2 point insulin and BMI 2 point BMI diabetes 2 point diabetes and finally H 2 point H. So now we can pass to the next step. We're gonna transform our data into a data frame. So we're gonna transfer our data into a data frame. Sorry for that. Let's put this. Let's make a new future equal to PD data frame user data, and let's make an index equal to 0. Then return futures. And let's change it futures. Futures. After that, we're gonna store the user input into a data frame. So we're gonna store the user input into the data frame. So user input equal to get the name of our function, get user input. Let's make set the subheader and display the user input. So st.subheader, let's name it user input. User input 2 point and st.write our user input. After that, we're going to create and train the model. So random forest classifier equal to, let's name it random forest classifier 2, then random forest classifier point fit and xtrain and ytrain and ytrain. Then finally we're going to show the model matrices. Show the model matrices. So we're going to create subheader 2 st.subheader. Let's this accuracy score and st.write str our accuracy score of y test and random forest classifier point predict our x test. That's for 100 plus percent. Then we're gonna store the model prediction in a variable. We're gonna store the model prediction in a variable. So let's name it prediction equal to random forest classifier point predict and the user input. Then let's set a subheader and display the classification. So let's store. So set a subheader and display the classification. So st.subheader results and st.write prediction. Finally, we finished our first web application using Streamlit. Now let's run this. For running this, we're gonna use the command cd from Anaconda. So we're gonna put Streamlit run, then I'm gonna open this, and show the name of our application. Right, name it app.py and step Okay, we had here image equal to open and error. Let's check her. Image open. Sorry here. See user, I use desktop, up web, Diabets, DPG. Let's run this again. We have the same image. Let's check it. C double point. I think I'm gonna impose this. And let's run it. The same for all the. Let's check it. Let's check it together. So our obligation still running. We had some mistakes here. Mistake point right.